This is our Yamaha MX80, I believe.
Yeah, so this is our Pate find. 600 bucks. She's a little rough around the edges, but I think with a little bit of carb tuning and a cleanup, she's gonna ride good.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one. It's very classic.
Okay, so first things first, we gotta get this carb off and see what's up with this.
It looks pretty clean.
Yeah, it does actually look really nice. Okay, it looks pretty good. It's pretty sharp.
Okay.
The inside's really clean.
I guess we'll open her up and take a look.
So I just took apart the carb, and most of the stuff looks really clean, but in the bottom of the bowl there's a good amount of dirt in there, which I guess is from running with no filter. When we got it, there was no filter. And then I took out the pilot jet, and when I held it up to the light, there's no light shining through it at all, so it's definitely clogged. So I'll try getting this unclogged and then check the rest of it. Okay, so good news, I took a little like sewing needle, and we were just barely able to get the pilot jet cleared. So other than that, everything else, main jet, needle, everything else is looking good. So let's put this all back together and hopefully you'll have some good mid-range.
Yeah, so we'll run her, test the oil injection, and then if everything checks out, we'll take her out.
We moved the needle on the carb down a little bit to make it a little bit leaner, and we got a really small air filter that fits this thing. And now we'll just go through the rev range and see if it's happy. So let's go rip this thing. First we're just gonna see how it drives, see if the carb's right. So let's get going.
Dang, that holds!
Yeah, wow. This thing is a lot better. Really, really, really fun.
Yeah.
I mean, also inflating the tires helps a lot with the handling, but we definitely need to fix those shocks. Okay, so we're filming both of these videos at the same time, so we might as well have a drag race. We got the MX, an 80cc two-stroke with 4 gears, versus our built Predator with a torque converter. 3, 2, 1, go!
watching. This MX turned out to be an awesome find. I mean, really cool. Basically, we just brought it back from Pate's and did the little bit of maintenance that y'all saw, and it was ready to rip. We have a couple hours on this thing so far, I'm sure. So the next phase of this is really just going to be a complete restoration. So stay tuned for that if you're into this bike. We also got some more shifter stuff coming in the future, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you, Go Power Sports. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.